Pack Expo Las Vegas is the can't-miss event of the year for exploring the latest in packaging and processing solutions. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from industry professionals who've experienced the show firsthand.
I'm glad I came to Pack Expo Las Vegas because there is just so much variety of innovation that's going on here.
I've gotten the opportunity to meet lots of different vendors, see new equipment that I've never seen before, and ask those questions in person about durability, preventative maintenance, cleanliness, things like that.
And I think the great thing about talking to all the different exhibitors here at Pack Expo is that a lot of people here have been in the industry for years.
Yeah.
So newer engineers like ourselves were able to learn so much from these people. Keep that in our back pocket to help us kind of build our knowledge and our careers.
I'm glad that I came to Pack Expo because it really opened my eyes to what technology is really out there and what we can improve at our plant.
I was trying to find manufacturing equipment to expand my business, and that's what we found.
Take it from your industry peers. Don't miss your chance to experience Pack Expo Las Vegas and discover the solutions you need to stay ahead. Register today at packexpolasvegas.com.